Okay, so hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to share a few technical details about this D704P motherboard. So this motherboard came with me like this. As you can see, this is the MOSFET over here, which is bird one. So I just removed it and checked whether we still have short or not. So after checking, so I came over here. So this is the PL09. This is the coil to which that MOSFET was connected. That is dual MOSFET. Means we have two MOSFETs in single package. This PQ8 is also dual MOSFET. So this section, this coil is of RAM coil. So here RAM voltage 1.2 volt will be there. After that, this is the 3.3 volt coil, and this is 5 volt. PL8 is for 5 volt coil. Okay. So this was first basic, and in my this motherboard, this 3.3 volt coil is shorted with respect to ground. So many of you have doubts in 5 volt and 3.3 volt section, means always section. So whenever you get 5 volt line shorted, then there may be problem related to USB and the 5 volt where it is going, we may have some sort of issue with that. But whenever this 3.3 volt line is short, there are 90% chances of PCH failure, or in 10% we can say that IO may be faulty or BIOS chip may be faulty, like that issue may be there. But in 90%, if your 3.3 volt line is shorted, then your PCH is also shorted. So let's check. This is my multimeter. Let me keep in diode range. Okay, just ground one probe. Okay, okay, let me check continuity. As you can see, it is giving beep. So first thing, let me show you. This is the 3.3 volt coil. So let's check. As you can see, it is shorted with respect to ground. So 5 volt line, we have impedance 135, which is good. This is RAM section. Just check 152. Okay, 121. It is also good. So next is, this is the BIOS pin number 8. As you can see, it is giving beep. Okay, after that, this is the coil of PCH power supply. So let's check. As you can see, our PCH is shorted, but our processor, this is our core supply coils. As you can see, it is giving 19, means our CPU is alright, but our PCH is gone. So this is the SoC board. Here you will be getting processor, and here you will be getting PCH. So PCH and our processor are combined. So in this motherboard, if you get this PCH coil short, then you have to replace this again. After replacing, your motherboard will be working properly, and we have graphics also. But in this motherboard we can't do it, because as you can see, this all the tracks are burnt, and this is a dual MOSFET, and for that we need to connect nearly 6 wires to these connections. So that's why we can't make a jumpers, because this board will be placed like this onto laptop. This will be touching to this part will be below our keyboard. So we can't replace a MOSFET or make a jumping wires. Otherwise we have to extend these wires, and also this PCS is shorted. That's why we have to replace this SoC whole chip. Then only we can repair. So the key point is that if you get 3.3 line short, then directly check our PCH or BIOS, means check pin number 8 of BIOS. If that is also shorted, then directly check PCH. And if in any motherboard PCH is shorted, though we cannot power it on, or the only thing which can bring it to life, that is replacing that PCH. And in this motherboard we have SoC, so we have to replace this whole SoC. So this was in today's case study. So thank you.